and you hold that picking apology when the type, then you will not travel all the way from Germany. A destiny will not take a permission for a boyfriend. Well, but who can lagwa? Ave kenya take babe kenya we kure ko betere ari eba. Ave Madonna shabi KSC. Men wati ni miteme. Ave shiki mushi. Maybe Elisa ekenika. And we cook boy. It just size ya. Then if our hena ami egbe. Amo mogwewa. Because we say buy a till Hawaii. Because that way on one other body of myself, maybe we such even lava. But on no account, the bearing nonsense is mind. Careless talk. There are structure and instruction. And the expert and important. The false information. Do you know the meaning of false information? Then that is 2 years imprisonment or more. A man, a mom just in a video no or man swelly where yo. I wanna go one or Lugan. When I am with that you wear or your zangwe. No, not your zangwe. A bad dead bear. Already you wear the zangwe. Among you don't want you to boss you winter. I must win anywhere yo. Then a pastor Larry, pastor. Where go one? My work guana. A pastor boy. Hi. Let's see more why do I live joke as when I carry bubble in a yaoi. Pastor! Oh, yeah, mana. Yeah.
Dodgy walking with Dameoe.
When I'm new to you now. Do you know that a karma? No, soon that we went away. When I walk one call, then when I also away a no budget. Then una yo a filo for good evening. Then I a filo for Yaku. A friend anywhere who need. Then a mama to Uma way say.
I will end your dodgy of here with you. I don't have to know.
Where's ye bay? We calm down. I'll be here with you. Baby, no one have Matthew 18 as verse 18. What am I my? Why you just Christian that might say then? Do my bad here, go and tell my way. Matthew 18 verse 18. Our word of band of earth is a money band of heaven. It is over, it is over. Do you know what I want me? Matthew 18 verse 18. Oh, when we're aware that where Umari needy, no show again. A my can no real at all. Or Maggie cost anywhere. Because let back on be back home. Oh, not bad. Are you right? Do you understand? Also, that I make so maybe for that so. Yeah, why they walk one move on. Yeah, why solo here. I don't know how they can watch you, but mind the value. Pastor, go and settle with this woman. But don't let her settle with this woman away. Come on, where you want to do a meal. Then, with that, we want to do a meal more. Only him and Uhiamia, my name team of Hiamia, you know, say that way.
I must stop him, Dodgy. I must stop him any your mom. I must stop him. Mama Mogwan. Mama Mogwan.
By the way, then which thought do you have in your mind? What did it disturb your heart?
Why Nemota? Wama judging out never want to know.
But this stuff where you want to sleep a sleepless night to mommy here, baby, mama. Umani baby destiny. Away, mama kebe. You man make a lusu. Uzo e towa. Oh, I swear down. What about BG? You might understand. It be like honor.
Bless you, pa. God bless you.
God
bless you.
It be like ho. Yes, it be like oh, but I'm is here.
I got you.
God and leave her. I don't know why you thought that before. God and leave her.
But we don't take you out. Then I'm to myself. You have to go cover. It might be like now. But like now. By the way, you understand? How dare you lay your hand on woman? What go? You yak go here or send them yak man. If I all pass over that matter.
No.
You might declare one 30.
No, that is wrong.
G, calm down, Ariana, calm down.
Dodgy, Edo Yasuno.
I don't like that. Maybe I get
Who I believe in you now? Who I Mudane Dodgy, who I believe in you now?
Well, give me a bit more. Now drop me down the one.
Oh, Mudanana, yeah, whether to wear your. I reckon, no, I didn't do one here. Pastor,
Pastor, mute yourself.
Mute pastor for me, I beg. Pastor, I can't work with. Ah, I want to work. Bien que y la qui a bon voliwe.
Welcome me name no na ilagalawa. Welcome down. Calm down. Yeah, wet lips you know. Go.
I beg you on Lisa. Offer you some listen. Ba mi winere.
Asa o vivien quoi?
Oge ma bi o.
Isa o. God dodgy like the kagui. No tani ate wenu ne pastor because you watanya where okuna bang. Okay, fine. Matter no de matter nowhere a police gele mwe na ya kolo kuna ne police mweba. Siso we ma better bang.
Where a pastor now we gina mommy. We ke do re I think it was ya gwa. Oh, we may go to.
Don't you me wado toto? Iro toto. When we gwalo ko we not in daddy. I wado toto.
Then he tani mai kaita.
Because according to when you ya agwasin here, according to when you ya agwasin. O ko se ti fall in love ni. Nwe.
Itene. Le bibi shi tabago e pastor itene. Le bibi tabago that where ire ohoho. Bibi shi. O ke na gbe ma na gwe. Because that way,
Mudane, Dodgy, you 1 minute, man. You 1 minute, man. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Hey, Pastor, tell us what
we're muting. Pastor, mute. I've been on muting now.
Dodgy, you 1 minute, man. 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
You're not muting now.
1 minute.
Maybe go on.
Oga, wait first. Mudane, Wagwan.
Oh my God,
Mudane. Dodgy, 1 minute. 1 minute. A destiny within she and God Almighty no jia dagbon. Ekoge we all manipulated the story. Ekoge
destiny where iyo mi
epa Mudane imeta mugwe na ijo mi meno Mudane 1 minute me here ijo mi meno witi ekoge we all manipulated the story we one me no do ba yen webo no do ri ebe ni yen webo me Ogizegwa gboma maye Mogizegwe eni yama deduna oke ko saloboa okene ko saloboa Dodgy eni ya de okay man, my life is good. Emmanuel pan osaba ma fi me wedding sababa there's nothing like karma. I'm just trying to debunk that video now, that's all. Already document na ve mama tana. Nizege clarify ve mama because they are mothers. So I will not blame them when they are hungry regarding that document area. Dodgy, ige dokba. Iya omas iya said imbe. A social, Jamie social said imegu we. He do pay 300 euro. Ne. Isa Nathan. The day by Isa Emmanuel. And I reply, in a way, even Monatia Isa Nathan, even Monatia Isa Emmanuel. Oh, ya fear near more with you, Jamie. Or this is Gemona fear near more with you. And you may be a Jamie on a fear near with you. So, social not a man where 300 you can do a pay, and I will no. In a way, they social only do pay 300, and I will not be a big cut in a way because ni so ni gumen in a way that is not the name of my children. In a way, a best educated more women, a documenting young women. You understand? I hear collect Italian citizen. In a one of your mori, away more one year to be able to collect a citizen here. So I only took my citizen and my children here. You know? Now, what I'm trying to say here is that 4 days later, my social going. You're not here when he said the document in again. When like school. And now where you are just deceiving yourself. Now where look at what happened 4 days ago. A social said he make go where he don't have to pay 300 euro. 4 days later, when the medal said the document Mary, and I went no. You know where you are lying. I tell more like school. You know why? Because social met it 3 days ago. Need to send you pay 300. When do I document me 3 days later? This is the reason why I did not send my document to her, because I didn't believe what she said, but I believe women beware. Why they talking here my full details? Ne social, you understand now? Because he had 3 days ago. So Nyemae we social team. Nyemae the email is still my phone. The conversation they are on my phone. He is not aware we social team. So a other document in here soon. You understand me now? A document in here soon. So it's not intentionally. I didn't do it intentionally. You understand? But because she's not aware that social asked me to come and be paying 300 euro, so I believe she want to give my details to the social. So all the all my ladies in the house, all my mothers in the house. So I didn't do it intentionally. You understand? Now I must stop in anywhere near Deyooh. I'm calling my sons. I'm talking with my son steadily. But the only problem, no, is that way. One, Omakman come number one. No, now we ekman first time, second time. All of a sudden, where between she and her God, she know she has manipulated
Pastor,
the story.
sorry, sir. What do you want now? What do you want, Pastor? Those are old things. So we don't. She already explained those to people here. Those ones are not explaining now. It's kind of
That is what brought us here now. That is the reason why we came.
What do you
The
want?
reason why, that is the reason why we came. That is the reason why we came.
Pastor, Segbe, Baba Segbe, Wahala.
Now go Baba. No,
Why don't understand your platform? Why they can't have one?
Now go what I want to watch no eh. Oh yeah, my don't talk it at all. Not to the man. Don't yeah, my we here better. Not even any
It's style like why the emoji way.
okay, okay. One man
What's your name? What's your
for one of ya now in here, we are go yak beto. On ever na shati mo ye we na me wa here nego o nothing ye. What's ye no nothing ye? E eni ye kama wa sameti ni area no no ya tamijue. Uwe ne a. The no man ya tamijue ni jwe come back no money ga itinye. O yo na imu o yo hani block e we. E ga je matijin ye ya gbali yen. E wi ya beto no ri go ni wo vision ye.
Why you lying? Why you lying?
Tori kodi ni vie. E bi so ge je kagbe. Ina be tie. Ina na we la mo. Ina support we na nya we mi je. La
Why you matter? Why we say we're not explaining much again. You don't have to do with the man, so don't explain much. Don't take mama go.
Mr. Donji, what?
Mama was saying, yeah, wait, Mama, if I carry on, come on.
Who I don't want
Just carry on.
big fish and don't you the fish are not the only one when you picking her up. It's time not the only one. May you picking her up.
Daniel sister Egwe.
La
Whatever.
vivia what they talk. What they report up. I will take.
Jivia away. Mona me to it.
When it,
Don't you have 10 minutes? 10 minutes to go. 10 minutes.
what damn you?
10 minutes.
We
When I come so born,
Yeah, you
when
can go, because of your children. No, but please.
I have 10 minutes, 10 minutes to live here because I cannot stay here throughout the night. One I will come in with a song without or said even message in the way so funny. So I need
Don't
to
bring the person up now. Bring that person up.
Mr. JB.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, what
Hello, Wahala.
Now me they talk. Now me destiny they talk. Where you first mood first. You hear the enter. Wala wagui. Wadomo. Sábà no fiambo. Afwe sábà no fiambo wa. No tevene. Na miote mi no ma. Na fure mi na ro o sábà no rie afiambo ni man ma setting yata. Iya vana ni wagwana. Rudu wa mena wala I will believe say this is my first time and whatever we gba to no pianoro wa kabo eme and no who noro too or we eme kakabo ibe so we ane e krima waga ye which rajebi meno no sagwa. I don't expect you as much as a man we ni ana won wuwe egui ẹ̀wọ̀n wà wẹ́ èdò ládìyàn ọ̀rọ̀ abẹ mu wọ́ I believe it has been long way ni màá yà gùn but rúndẹ̀ ń wẹ̀ mẹ́nà ládìyàn wẹ̀ ní láì a platform wẹ̀ ni ẹ̀wọ̀n wà wẹ̀ náà yẹn and it's past okay past the way I passed anything wey be ládìyàn wey dey don suppose wẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ ládìyàn ado agwa yobe idagbo wa gwe ni wa o e ma we platform idagbo no but o memie so na ti ogo wa e ma we expect yin to be we nyohia we gbe ni ana ado ate won Sister Destiny, if you can remember or one odo be drum we churchy odo mu we dey Milan we ni so egwe baba egwe church mata dame yonia church mata emi opa ni hiata ma emi opa ni ata ma ipia ni rewa keki ipia ni weru webu wa gwe wa gima emi opa ya wewi na mi we onari ofuo o una iga we o me family ne abe mi no to boy yo waya yo boy vie mi ku we kiri but una ego wo kan we wina mani bia ni buna ego wo kan we wina ari uki yo wa e ba ni oku na mi ku ogo boy no na be mi ewu we me ma ku to boy be ale ba be ri enu ero pade de so boku odo ali di to we na ya ni ma be mi na wa gwe ona me kere ni we ni ware yo baba baba jebi una ege me na we we no ri e to gwa lo ri mo ri no e mo we sister o we obienu akabe bia no ade yi o wo be sun o wo be stop mo irresponsibility weno ekeniri nyariri ayi yare Kaduna o yare Badan irresponsibility weno to take care of your children oni weni tayo o wa wese
Donji.
Wese baba.
Donji. Valentine. I greet each one. Donji, no ya when you do. Like no ya when you do kuni was a get tired for you understand. No ya when you do because the matter you go maka but ilake onwana ilake kinonwana temata. Omana temata. Owa ka body yo me bihoe. O ya when you do. Epa ere eri malwe wa wana gwana osa dion gwana. Igu we gwan we phone. And again igu we gwan we phone. U kati e bonne. But u ti e bonne. But he might take care bonu ti me last na ye ni malwe mwe phone me. Ina ye ve mwe phone ni. Ya tama we sa you said where destiny to fine. Maybe gelegele gbezo no gwi egboye pate so rogi ro. But when you said way or two, but it said mena, I want to tell you no time me face to face with phone. You understand? Let me tell you, you said I won't give away because me hetik be anegba oremo. Ijo vi merewe bona. Iwa gba ogo vi me mighty jo vi me de. Ime no buy. Ima gbera gbere TikTok. Omaga polo vi mercy but yen ipolo na imaka gino do la money do ya akpo pe. Is there? But so far money what be any me wa gba oge. Let me tell you, the very day ni you were killer no way after 5 years. Me no sa dion Q or block we. Me more block you one time I were that day. Don't you let me tell you, need stories a here way. They can you have a issue now. When it is so one. So it was after 1 month. After 1 month, in a destiny where in my own dairy bekana guana yana gweri ya guan. Away eti yana we was here. Now because met you me. Now beg ya go in guana I was here. Away or what you ya tie or say me ni ati battle in your way. So for that reason, you know what block, you know we know who block. You know it's very wrong to block area. Now I'm not going to be happy or need support. So me na what to bome moto bome ti bi ke vana ore mana di to na tia. Ya te lo ye na asonga na tia na imalo. Okay, you people should go and bring your phone. You know have phone yari. Ina like the WhatsApp, ina like blocking. Ina the nena we which one is your daddy number? On an point here, no can point here. Ina on block If you on block we blocking. Ina time not do you way. I want you to play record to your daddy now. Greet him. Then tell you that daddy, I miss you. I just want to check on you. Is ya maybe palo or we are not gonna be recording him. Iji amareva mavia paga repalo. On a the record. Few minutes ivani. Eriana return. Oma return a call. Oma return the voice. Ona tia as a call. Okay, then imalo na we. Ona mubere. My daddy is calling. We pick now. Is your daddy now? Mama gwagwa. Ona pick. Okay, pick. Ona hiari owa, but he repalo ina adani. Ogi can swear in our Twitter. Era na tama imalo is you. Where's Nata? Ona tambira we Natari one. The conversation in I was happy the paloni total way. But before me came up to know this man switched from a conversation from the way he has the way issue. Then imalo na we ijian re uwa. Or when on way for gear. So on in am with four on am gigia irepalo. So you know vinya nowhere. If walk here to away, then I when no here go wegwan. Oh now here be rock mani ha itama twin way. Or is I insist. Emi ni una kina. Ina bagbe the palo. Ina here. Boy ina muja yo no ro imagwan. Ina your bottom me we here go wegwan. Pick it then new na ekpe to have it to away. Mean anything. So honor me the call, yana me last corner me ye bena be king penari a palo. So the first thing panat that is every malo na to destiny waji odo. We should not be respond we or you say where we go a more we go. Before came in also no in a mega honor in a way. You when we be come back. Come back to where? Meze come back, make an also no ogun yes one tie gebe. So another moon ogun is a lad. Ina bagbe. Iri bagbe. Make say your boy will have your bottom on the taminoko because no kwa gwimere ba ni mebege we ya ma we ina to bo me mwene ne phone we bed ma fie but igwa ina mo di phone ina mo no ye not jona we go and talk to your daddy inside the room. So the man was sitting way for you reckon a destiny ye or ye tear board or those. So I'm alone igwa we daddy my mom is not here again, it's me Emmanuel. So or what's way Emmanuel, which right did you have to carry the phone from your mommy? Emmanuel also one of your hand on now. Yeah, you sat him now. It's not me, it's uncle. Who is uncle? What stupid uncle? Yes, it's a bonny me. So imagine going. I kept silent. So again, yeah, but yeah, you are by going. So now said to Emmanuel, only now when you were daddy I'm here, we're going to give that uncle phone. Emmanuel na mwefore owe uncle my daddy say iga na we because okpia no yege owo ya tie boni me ma e na be modifo na mo tun e yan tun me mo to e pega atie e eni ta na o yege mata no re ma o ga wo e mana me na do di ewe oge eyan be ewu manye we oge ewu manye no rotase ni meta na me o no ta me do oge meta so mo twin megi twin
bros you already have a roduku say woman point of correction.
Okay, pa, sorry, I'm coming. No, the reason why I said because the reason why I said no why you do my I'm sorry for that.
Don't you only see where baby mama you understand?
Okay, sorry, sir, no problem. So then I picked the phone. Me over here phone. Now me na tinye pa. You got to pay now calm down, sir. Ma wu wena okbia making okbia we can now eron more making eron more we can now give ma wu we go as man to man. And now we pana we ya down me or when it down we he started explaining now we pana we no transfer between wife and ma coming. Now when we not coming now we like okbia no name vie no gba ogi vie. Now when you a pride okbia now because make gba ogi me I like to see it like that. Owe eti mamwe gbe yan gba ogi yan isi yan fi yan pe na epa isi yan ka fi yan pa na but me I'm not telling you starting from today if you wear I got you wear because yan go agun we phone yan go alu we phone and we be ati yan we agu we go anything we are no kan uni yan tami yan yan menwane yan inati yigo yan ligo yan gwa ya demi ina mawa ina gwa ona nyene which is it was the next month ona ga birthday oge nekere next month na ga birthday nekere I was there so a birthday nekere gi say I was igaro palo iji amaro wa nekere na gwera gwa we phone imalo tira no dio so imalo ta mera we next month is in Natal birthday so era na we no mwe phone ne ona mwe phone ne in Natal irepalo then ana oitwe Natal na ana ne na yotobo ne Natal we Natal what do you want on your birthday o Natal mewe ye need keke so na woke inigo yake ne ni keke na we ma ona ka ije gare no neje inigo wikeke so ije ga itaman ni ya send ginye ya na tinye be fo ye mana mu ya ginye la wina ne boya pe yi record to cut it short don G so iji ya gire ya gita mi je na we ere nu wa hewe but I was the one away o ma nyoto bo no igare ma bo highway bi bo gwalo. So where you are here now? This is the problem with me. Here, what you know, send the voice record. Do you know what happened, Donji? This man not here, boy received the voice record. Or on our way in Malway here Google, which is not doing. Or where is it that if you people need something, that's when you remember me, I'm your father. In Malway, how old are you? You see, I mean, no, I'm there. In Malway, not time my way at that time. On my say 16 was say 14 B was around 14 years. When I was 14 years. Then do I use the man make example with of your happen or church in way of your honey age of my malway. Do you know that boy he settled the mother and the father? Can't you settle your mother and your father? And why is it that if you want to know, if you people want to ask money, you can talk about money, but you can't settle your. So a man was so no. So if you can't settle your mother, you people cannot get anything from me. Before making us know, you know, it's just to let la dianevoa. You have my phone as usual. You have one. So you cannot ask why. He can't know whether you know where now. I'm a venue. You know, so the agwe. So don't you let me see, forget it. Let me take this matter. We are never best safety case. These are things not soon will be present here. There was a safety kit in your car. No, that was 2024. I'll be 2024. Yeah. Then again, the best safety kit. Okay, a money. But if you said where or change it son name to Isa, but when the nana again the best safety kit, that is where they will not find out where son name no rare no Isa or a best safety kit. They could change it. That was a Minnesota nigga on you. I was there. So when they not ask best certificate, so you know me because the social talk at Iowa. I was there. You know me the social way a man I hear. Moto move going away. Hey, where Kafia koda already? What's ye? Or if ye guagwane, ye to be at ye be record the gear. So you have record the girl again, no cost any Vienna. So which is inaccurately. Menate when you have record, or you cannot feel coming with anywhere. No, in that time, anyway, you know what you want to do now. You go play the record. Now, if you work here, Meti explain and say, now, first of all, come and shot. The two or to a new to a honorary Lamogo Laviese, two ye the record, then who explain, man. Now, because this time around, if you no cost no more, no. Or what problem he play the record or he pay on a way share marine or one match up.
Man, I'm so disappointed in you, guy. Now you make this woman not want to go back to her husband. I'm so
shut up your
disappointed
mouth.
in you. I'm so I'm so disappointed in this man. Like they go do you and they go do you back. I'm so disappointed in you.
Shut up.
You don't make that. You don't make this man go back to your wife.
Wife.
Mila, calm down. It's okay. It don't do.
Was on your board.
Okay, bros, calm down. Mila, calm down. Mr. Sergeant, continue.
So then, the man he received the record instantly. Or mark the record or call or he call or where was CNN. What's another million now? Where you don't know a best certificate or when you do or ni when of Italy, which is I was there. He met Igwegwa. The only thing I say now we ain't shouting when I it time away maybe because you not shout or now only enjoy these things you so far. In a way, off you when you are so far now at the end a mona or affect. Now we then affect a mona now we zero money making no baogo vie. Now what bali me because every near meeting you ni biekana. Now so where the when you shut now where shut we are in here we come which is the honor refuse or marry and no magelere before before
he said the best everything here. So
before I'm coming, sir. So before me kedo pa with Jemire. Epa emini metana ore no. Between my mama made this conversation.
He said the best certificate girl Sadio.
No, sir, I understand. But Mabuga made this conversation.
No argument. One person now, Sadio, we talk well from the pastors in the
yeah, no.
Pastor,
it tell me the only time. So it tell me the only time. It tell me the only time because I just want it to be like saying where oge naki. I settle issue. What people want to know was settle issue.
You are not aware. He said that.
Wahala wo ni temo pa because of the here ni ya lu. Eme JB set in your bed, you understand? Why agree time wa bo wa be ra be nje. We no wa ya gun ayo fe ko ya re agbon ama wa. Iya wa mi no gwan no ma because the destiny of one of them is not your no ko anything obi ra bi shi e ma lo. Otana ba mere ma wa ma ga re la mere ya call you phone. And I na hina ina do mu di phone. Even with the folk, Cabo Seven Nico, anyone where a JB to or it tells you, Obama, in a way. Then a JB Gualokia with Hana. When I love so my say, Tuna Omana with the Bobby, you go, Bennett one. Does that mean why you go back, you go near here? Ọpẹ́ nìkéré wọn náà sí ọ̀tá lẹ́nu ẹ̀yà kọ́rọ́kọ́rọ́ sí máa ò ní gùn ọ̀tẹ́sẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀ ní wẹ̀ tradition ẹ̀wú ọyọ́ ìrìn of a marriage wà ná níyà nọ́pá àrẹ tradition náà ó ọyọ́ ìrìn of a marriage and ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ náà gbé jẹ̀bi ẹ̀jẹ̀bi ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ ìrìn of a sàn wò bẹ́ jẹ̀bi ọ̀tẹ́rẹ́ náà ọ̀nà rẹ̀ dò tó rẹ̀ lù díẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ́ the first time.
Pastor. Moderator, they mute them for me now. Oh, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́. Me na calm down.
Mayana ripalo oterena ona we wa agwa before. Wa ho. So oterena ya woterena agwa. Me he ona no gwa pra le no ke no teme we aga hamu we ri ma we for some days. We are believe ya. Ne na shock me. Na no wa bare lali. We have a JB. Now a JB on the water and where on one hammy we mana for 5 days. 30 mega believe there. It's in Nash on one time. In our shape, so every matter I know all those who are we must know because Egbima my yo now we know you marry. You understand? So, respect in our, you know, in how we are marry. If you look at anyone when you have women, guy, they will not wallow with the rich.
Yes.
When the destiny and none of wallow.
Yes, I remember when
no because from my notice here we are major money JB. I'm major money JB. Wagunle no emi no gwalo be tori o ana be ni o na be gun awa gbe ti le ri a o wa egba finish una be do ni ona re una ye ko ka gbe awa e de no pa je mi no pe na ti emi na we won emi no kon wo dey ona ti ni esin mi o ri send go ni iye okay opa na ni o ma se 1 year. The man I am married so if they not tell me come away, you got real life. What tell me go? You tell me you me pa. You tell what tell me na no de pa no ni go. De pa no he ya me be ya me je guys ni e ti me. How we drop for dinner? You know we dey no can tell me ba. No la wo we ga ama koko ori o ma la ni wo e ka ni me do wa no o ka yo te me ya we first wife ya o ka ya we second one bi de no ke ya wu
we say ma no o ma we ya we say la owo e pastor se gbe e get one bros wey dey bless that bros the verse I want me man come down because where he come now where the free do happiness and be this. Honorable, I want you to tell us where that man for wrong. That was Sergeant way come down just now. Chairman, and I see respected the way you respect me just now. You also your mute. Wetin be that guy offense? Chairman, talk to us. Are you there?
Thank you very much for the opportunity you gave me. So, first and foremost, good morning, good evening from anywhere you are watching from. Well, okay, I can say that as far as say this woman don't born children for Mr. J and B. Now family matter. Now it be in a third party. In a third party. For him to even come inside this building, come they analyze, talk the way the thing take happen, try to favor one side, which everyone know the side when he go like favor. He not supposed to come out, come talk. Because now man he be. He the year, the fellow man they bleed, the fellow man is hot. He's hot. All of us they ask what this man want, what is this man want. You can see from what they talk to me. He want his wife back.
You don't get wife.
Allow me
Since how
talk
many
now,
years?
I beg.
Since how many years? You are just talking matter, talking like a riffraff there. Since how many years? That's the way you do.
Maybe you don't understand. The person when you dey refer to, you
left.
don't marry.
You come
It's
out for this
okay.
man
It's
house
okay.
on his
He don't do
behalf.
obstruction. No obstruction, I beg. No obstruction.
Okay.
Chairman, carry on.
Okay, with the little one when I hear when you they analyze, I mean the wife, you come out for your husband house without knowledge.
What of
without
connection?
knowing what they
Oga,
happen.
you not marry me. Try make you dey understand broken English. That person want to talk to you. Husband,
You don't live with man more than 10 years. More than 10 years. He not marry you.
My brother, all this one when you dey talk, if they do your sister, you go take
Madam,
am.
may you wait? Now, not refer to his sister.
Allow me say my word,
May I
please.
calm down?
Don't
May I
allow
not
me
be
say
boy
what
about
I
my
want to
family
say.
here, I beg.
So that man,
No obstruction. Me not anybody when we say obstruct this guy, give me a drop him. Anybody when obstruct this guy, everybody they talk. Anybody when we say obstruct him again for the last time, they must also drop him, block him, delete him. If you not send Lord, they work, put body. Bros, I beg continue, chairman.
thank you, host. God bless. Thank you, host. Thank you, host. It be like what you fed talk, just talk since man. You don't go allow anybody talk down on Mr. J and B. I respect you for that one when you stand on. For a fellow man to come climb up, come to analyze husband and wife matter. The house when the woman not allow her husband come, may go rent hotel for 70 euro. You did the house, they eat, they shit, they drink.
Dodgy, a live video now, yeah, stop. Because first of all, you are disrespecting my man. That is my man. How dare you? You are disrespecting me.
You are bringing manhood. You are bringing manhood down, madam. I don't disrespect your man.
No, you are so very stupid. You don't know what you are saying. Honestly.
What do you know?
He don't do. May I relax. Mommy Destiny, no. Why? He never insult your man now. You get what he don't tell her now. No, if they talk your opinion. So I don't talk since now. Mama, you're not good now. Why you insult my fellow man like this? I don't like him now.
Mrs. Joy, I not talk down on your man. You not introduce him to the house and that your man be this one. Now knowledge may take it and say, now this guy now be your present boyfriend. He not get right to say climb up, come they take side on any matter. He not get right. Because that fellow man they bleed. He divorce, he leave his own wife, come to another person's wife, he come to talk, he gets shame for his side. I don't come for both of you, I come for that very man. I was down here listening to both of you saying.
Bleed. How dare you to insult my man? I'm still repeating it. Oh, your son will bleed.
Who be your man? Who be your man? When take another person's wife?
I beg, bros, I beg, wait. Chairman, wait.
Liar Tiguan, hold on, wait. I want to ask question. Donji, ya not talk by ya nega not amujane, ya not ask question. Ask question. Alpha.
May everybody wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. No. Everybody wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. May everybody may you come down first. Madam, mute yourself for me. Mute buwa me. 2 minutes. You might wear the live video. The ike training the scene. Or for 11 phone is something. One is gonna walk be money. Me may be right. I will let Gavin. 2 minutes. I swear I will change you for this moderator. I will come out you for this moderator. Not be saying she will not fly. I'll come out to you. If I demand name, man, 1 minute. 1 minute, man, I might have come down first. Why you had you?
Je mu vie se vie ma we be na we se vie.
I went where who said you talk? Now okay, I better drop this woman for me. The guy choice example then. What's he can mention then he can't go in because when I see can't be. The I know why I let him off your talk. Me I think that anyway. You may we call one. Oh, wa gbe di ma wa. Ah. Yeah, wa son of the boy. What your talk? What's it to there? I don't want your nurse, yo. I beg you. 1 minute. Ebe fish dey good night no problem me do. Wa ro boy abo ya de. Man wa do na do ajumana.
Don't ni guan na guan si ni guan. Yet it alone.
We bros in my let this bro through first.
Yeah, no tana, no tapani ano na ogeso. We mujani me no ta.
Answer a question.
Can you only understand? Where I want understand no verse. Because the bros they say he collect Percy wife. I want ask the bros. Now the time made this woman take deal with J and B. Now Osa still collect time when they talk say he collect Percy wife. I bet analyze that place for me, not understand. Please. Ne, it's true, ne.
Off when
When Miss J dey talk, my brother, maybe that your blood, I don't know. Woman carry children come for her husband house without telling him. The man not tell and say, man, I know they do again, and they do introduction. According to her sister, went on just now. And you live with one man for 11 years. You dey talk say you not marry you. Which other certificate you dey find for 11 years with children? You come out. You take those risks, pass those children, come on. You're not thinking what about if those children die? What happen to the enemy of those children? You kind of come out. And you meet another man. You say, man, you not snatch, you not collect the woman from collect. That man, you put the talk about. Daniel.
Where's Daniel indeed? You see this guy, so Mama Destiny, this guy never insult you once, so.
What are they talking? What are they bending? Why are they bending your thing? You know, allow man enter the life of children. You tell me they make they give them money. You were carry children wrong for man. Make they take off children when you carry children wrong for their father.
Imagine the man understand. Honestly,
I understand you perfectly, madam. I understand. I listen to your comfort. I listen to everything you talk. You carry children come for Italy, come Germany. You say the man can take care of them, make come back Mexico, can't do birthday. You don't allow her enter your house, but you allow your boyfriend enter your house. The man still wants you. The man they tell the children, say make children make peace between both of you.
Bros, maybe you don't understand. You know, say this man don't marry. You don't understand what with the child to talk. He get wife for us with another extra 2 children. Maybe bros not understand where this
but
case
you
were
go. There first now, man. You were there first. You were there. He still wants you. He still wants you.
We send a request.
Oh God, hey bros. The thing they pay me.
Thank you very much for the time you give me. I appreciate you, Baba. Thank you very much. I'm off.
Ben no verse, bros. Never come out. Definitely, we might get answer. You may understand. Who can answer out? No,
bros not understand. It's okay.
I'm Destiny, but Chairman, I beg. I want to try, I beg you. Today na 30. The insult when my Destiny give you. I beg. Just forget to hear. I'm a Destiny, I beg. And also because if there's some my fellow man like this, I know they like her. This is what I hate in my life.
Baba not best. Not best.
Chairman, what you want try to tell you? You get what they pay this woman for mind, which she may come up for that house. You understand, honorable? Maybe you last come. Your family there here now. You don't understand, Chairman. You say me you know verse. Oh yeah, I bet let her come up like that.
Bro, not be J and B call you. He call you for purpose now. He call you for reason now. You don't want you not just call you say me you come make just with himself.
And I also know why I carry Destiny on this platform.
This
because I know
this not call you for reason.
Yes, I know
why. Come out like this. It means that the thing they pay her for inside your house. Why be say if Mark cry, come on, nobody don't want to listen to Mark cry, but if Mark cry, come on, everybody go to form one sympathy. Mark cry, come out, he lose his wife, he lose his children.
Why you want force to go do petrol not right? I don't understand. You don't get right for that. You don't get right for that. Force to marry. Number force to marry, man. Number force to.
Dodgy Garando.
When I want chop the men way there, yeah, I don't understand. Man go to talk, woman go to talk. I don't understand. But you be na be ko ta kere. Mario Kwa. Even Mama Destiny, he hope blubber a day yeah. That one just of immune sense. I be say no fit talk. Now calm down. They can really like where would they go? When no Kuna. Dede brosi. When no guana ne where maka wero water. 141. Why you man? Monita went to it. Look at the contact. No belly can you done it. I get mama. When more like mana. What do I tap your mana? But black woman general. Oh, John, we are quite a mana. Who are Lele? Then we can't die.
Don't you want whatever?
What am I? Oh, I bet the Mawa.
Don't you lie, don't you lie, calm down. Don't you lie, don't you lie, hello, don't you?
I think that's in here.
Okay, bros, okay, don't you okay, Guagumenza get with bros now, go on die now, you do now.
No, Mr. Sasbudan, bros now. Mr. Great Man, I don't know. You say this man they bleed, right? It's like you don't really understand the whole thing. Now my sister, nobody go send his sister, make it maybe his sister anyway. His sister, even you as you do start born for any man, you cannot advise me carry picket come on me just go the waka in life, okay? It's because no, hardly for man, for young boy to carry one way don't born one. Now you talk about two. You understand? You feel now saying that this man receive pain. Do you know that a man can marry 10 wives, even they born 20 children? If they marry a joy, you know, say a woman don't born 1 or 2 before that man put them for house without children. Don't say it's difficult. Down on one side. Then secondly, this pastor, so when they talk about, you forgot ask about them, say how long he did with this woman come out before and now he they say he think it's something they pain for mind about this one, he carry children, carry picky come out. Now you for ask. You see one thing about love, we on a man. Woman, when you love, when you leave your house, when that night, if you are there, they come out in night. If you love that woman, you don't feel sleep. You don't go feel sleep. You need to follow her before the thing go. As you do, you cut hand. You this man, you for example, say you something cut your hand. If you don't treat that hand immediately, if you don't affect you, if you treat her again, it will hard for you to treat. This thing when you talk about, probably talking of 5 years. Now this man can say he dey touching and say he lose woman. When he throw man to that bros when they try to talk with his eye reach. It doesn't mean you can talk with your eye reach. Now my sister already boyfriend or not be boyfriend. Now with his eye reach he talk. He's not studying my sister. We're not even see knowing as a maybe a wife to my sister, a husband to my sister. But within the eye reach as a man, as a fellow man. You understand? So I be a woman when I love. If she come out of my house, say I love her. You know, it will take 2. You know, it will take 1. I know that I'll be reach 1 week when I begin connect her of the settle with her before water pass Gary. So you call it, I can't want to call it embarrass who talk within the eye. See, I see maybe the woman come out deliberately. No woman they come for husband, we don't born for deliberate you. No, get that, not down for your mind. There's no woman on earth fit come out for husband house deliberately out without nothing transpires. You understand? Unless that woman full left for bush. Maybe the husband or that person they sleep with her. Your husband cash her. Now if you happen, not be say maybe when the woman say you want they left for a dear life. This man love her. This man they third wife. Third woman don't born for this man. If you love her, three women don't go born for you at the same time or at one same period. So bros, try to understand things when you took man for something. I understand your feelings too. Maybe
Daniel Takba. Imotani Daniel. A guy I don't know we your change destiny now. Now, my brother Daniel, for up to, let me just say, not reach 11 years with me with your sister. Now, I don't know you. But you know me, during the period when me with your sister today, for that 9 years to 10 years, where we take day. Me and you talk for 1 day. You know our house. Did you ever come around as a family member? I know Jerry. I know Timothy. Jerry is his brother born on the same father, the same mother. Timothy is born on the same father, the same mother. Happy, born on the same father, the same mother. Mama Hope is born on the same father, the same mother. You, who are you? How are you related to Destiny?
Why are you asking?
Because I don't know you not visit me. I don't know you. Me, I don't meet for 1 day.
Let me answer to his question. Fine.
Yes.
Let me answer to the question. Wait, let me answer the question. Now you are very responsible to where you get, where the money born for you day. You get responsible where.
I mentioned 5 people. Have Destiny. How many people you know for my?
Okay? You only know those who day Europe with you, but you don't know those who day Africa. You say you did very nice. Okay? You know those who day Europe where they assist her. When she face difficult challenge, you don't know those day Africa. So I can't be asking what I'm to give you.
Bala Doji Wala Nigwe boss na. Doji ni Tori na Doji la. Nigwe ni Tori na.
Mujane wagwan etoni we no mami Destiny we ni mu a what no go win dey lare ezara wo wi anwan yi zara wa
Garando be matana. We cannot be here throughout the
Hello,
night.
Doji la Nigwe ma ni drogu gwan ni Tori na la. Hold on.
Mama mute Zara mute I will let go meet
Hold on.
Bros, now you I want to make I talk to you. You don't know me, really. First of all, I want correct one thing. You don't just jump up and talk to me. Because number one, first of all, I know they has a chop. I did my house for Italy. If you say me I put on for camera, me I put on. I'm a man of myself. I'm not be man when they on that woman. That's one. Second, make I tell you. Now the man side I did, if you don't know me, you know. For 5 years plus, when they take block the man, when they take block the man phone number for a children phone. Now me, the very day I entered there, and me will block the man for the phone. How will you say I did the woman side like that? I make the man talk to a children for 5 years. For phone. Even when the man insult me, I not say insult the man. I was still telling the man, say, I just want to make the year for your children because I be father when the year for a pikin. You don't know wetin I talk when I climb up. I tell the man, say, now that your children, when you they use all those things, they punish. Now they pay me for inside. Now wetin I talk, Oga, it may be you not hear wetin I talk. So I don't see any reason why you they insult me. Now you I ask now. I believe you understand me now.
Also, he not insult you. The only mistake that you
sorry, sir. Sorry, I will good one, sir. Sorry, sir. I will good one, sir. Sorry, yeah, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, okay, sir. Because he can't tell from the one. A matu wamakane. But the only thing of balome way a morning or pass through the pains. Because I'm a father.
Mr. Osas, I never insulted you.
No, the way you attack me, that is why. Because you attack me as if say I did inside of the woman.
I need you to understand something.
No, sorry, sir. You tell me, say, I dey hit for the same house as you know. First of all, ask where this person they talk from.
You are not supposed to be here. You are not supposed to be here. You are not supposed to be here, man. That is my pain. You are not supposed to be here.
Why, sir?
You are not supposed to be here because Mr. J and B came for a purpose. You being here, you will stop this man to achieve the aim where he's here. What? You are not supposed to, you have to remain in dark.
Oh, God.
You should be in dark. You are not supposed to be out.
Oh,
I never insulted you, bro.
Bro, see,
please,
I just want to correct. That is the reason why I came up, please, I didn't insult you. I don't want you to insult me too because sorry, That's why I tell you.
My words are lying.
I don't live under woman. I'm a man of myself. Okay, thank you,
You were the same house with the kid. You were the same house with the kid. Are the kid there in Italy with you? No. So what are you saying? Why are you jumping your words?
Dodgy.
Don't you
It's unfortunate you don't understand anything at all.
Understand anything, but
Okay. It's unfortunate you don't understand anything, and you don't understand the reason of climbing up. You don't know what is correct. But let me leave you. Let me leave you, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, my brother.
God sent an angel to me. The different family, they are all here. So I'm here alone. God sent me a helper. So that's all. So let us stand up. Your family are all here. Your parents are here. Your husband, your boyfriend is here. Everybody is here. So
What Tico now? What Tico?
you see, what I know why I brought it to